Hello, my friends, and welcome to English Vibe. I'm Sam, and today I want to share something very special with you. Something that changed the way I speak, think, and feel in English. It might sound strange, but it is true. Just 50 words. Yes, only 50. If you know these words and use them the right way, you can start speaking English fluently. Maybe you wonder, how can only 50 words help me speak well? How can such small words make a difference? But trust me, they do. These words are simple, everyday words. They are words that people use in real conversations. They are powerful. I remember when I first started learning English. I felt completely lost. I had many words in my mind, but I did not know how to use them. I would think of something to say and then freeze. My sentences never came out. I struggled to make even a small conversation. Then one day my teacher said, "You don't need many words. You just need the right words." That moment changed everything. I realized it is not about knowing many words. It is about using the right words every day. So today I want to give you these words, but I want to do it in a story. A story about how I use them in my life, how I learned to speak English naturally. When I was a child, I loved stories. I listened to them in the morning, in the evening, at night. I loved how stories made me feel, how they painted pictures in my mind. But they were not in English. They were in my language. Then, one day, I heard a story in English. I did not understand much, but I loved the sound. The words felt warm. I wanted to understand. I wanted to feel them in my heart. So I started listening every day. Short stories, songs, small conversations. At first, it was very hard. I could not catch the meaning. But I noticed some words repeated again and again. You want go can come like have need. I started writing them down, saying them out loud, making small sentences. I want water. You can come, I like apples. These words were simple, but they were powerful. Slowly, I noticed a change. I could understand more. I could speak more. I was not scared anymore. These words became my friends. One day, I met a tourist in my town from Canada. She asked me, "Do you know where the market is?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I can show you." She understood me perfectly. That small moment gave me confidence. I realized these 50 words could open doors. I could speak, I could connect, I could share. After that, I started talking to more people. I didn't try to sound smart. I just spoke from the heart. I said, "I don't know. Can you help me? Where do you live? What do you want to eat?" Simple questions, simple words, but real English. I made a list of 50 words. I practiced with my voice. I looked in the mirror and said, "Hello. How are you?" "I am fine. I like pizza. I have a dog. She is nice." Small lines, but they gave me strength. Slowly, I started thinking in English. I stopped translating in my mind. I started building sentences from the words I knew. It felt real. It felt natural. One day, sitting in a park, a child ran up to me. He said something in English, and I answered. His mother was surprised. "Oh, you speak English?" I said, "A little. I'm learning." She smiled and said, "Your English is good." That moment made me proud. I want you to feel the same. Use these words every day. Speak them aloud. Whisper them while you walk. Say them before you sleep. Say them in your dreams. They are small but strong. With them, you can ask, answer, tell, share, and even dream in English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. Let me show you how I started. I took a small notebook and wrote, "I sheet with am is are." Not big words, but very strong. With them, I could start any sentence. "I'm happy. You are kind. He is my friend. She is a teacher. It is hot. We are ready. They are here." I said these lines again and again, morning and night, until my mouth, ears, and heart believed them. I even made a game. I looked at people on the street and said, "He is tall. She is fast. They are talking." After a week, I knew these words well. Then I added more. Want, like, need, go, come, get, make, do, have, no. With them, I could speak about what I feel, what I do. I want food. You like tea. We need help. They go home. She comes here. He gets water. I make tea. You do work. We have books. They know me. I made small stories. I want to go to the park. She comes with me. We get ice cream. We like it. I can now talk about my day. I wake up. I go to school. I eat food. I come home. I do homework. I sleep. These small sentences gave me joy. I was using my words, not grammar books. I felt real English. One day at a shop, a woman dropped her bag. I picked it up and said, "Here, you can take it." She smiled. "Thank you." I said, "You are welcome." I felt like I could live in English. Not magic. Practice. Love. Joy. I want you to feel this joy too. These words are more than enough. They open doors. They help you enter English naturally. I learned question words. What, where, when, who, why, how, can, do, did, does. I ask questions every day. What do you like? I like music. Where do you go? I go to school. Small words, real life, powerful practice. Then I learned time words. Now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, always, never, sometimes, before, after, again. I could say, "I'm tired now. Today I will read. Yesterday, I watched a show. Tomorrow I will call you. I always drink water. I never eat fish. Sometimes I sing. I sleep before dinner. I play after school. I will try again." I added helper words. This, that, these, those, very, more, all, every, any, no. This is good. That is my bag. These are nice. Those are old. I am very happy. I want more food. I ate all rice. Every day I walk. I don't want any help. No problem. These words made my English full and clear. I practiced daily, wrote sentences, made little stories. I spoke to myself, to the mirror, to my notebook. I even played games. I picked an object and said 5 lines about it. This is a cup. I like this cup. It is small. It is red. I drink from it. I did this with books, chairs, pens. My mouth became stronger. My brain became faster. Small steps. Every day, I sang songs with my words. I like tea. I want food. I go home. It is good. Funny, silly, but effective. I listened, repeated, echoed. I copied cartoons. I watched small videos and spoke along. I recorded my voice and listened. I corrected, repeated, grew confident. I used flashcards, 1 word per card, made sentences. I told stories. A boy has a cat. The cat is black. It is small. It is kind. The boy likes the cat. They play every day. The cat runs. The boy laughs. They are happy. Small, simple, real. I made daily routines. 1 sentence in the morning, 5 words during a walk, 3 lines about my day at night. I taught a younger child 5 words, made sentences, practiced together. I played yes and no games, asked myself questions, answered them. I made my English a habit. Every minute became practice. I spoke about everything: people, objects, nature. I realized fluency is not knowing every word. It is using the words you know in many ways every day. Listening, repeating, speaking, imagining, telling stories, asking questions, describing life. Small actions, tiny steps, daily love, daily joy. 50 words are enough. They are your start. They are your wings. They will make you free. Now I want you to start. Pick 5 words today. Make 5 lines. Speak them aloud. Walk with them. Sleep with them in your heart. Use them in your life. Notice how small words can create big conversations. Notice how they make you confident. Notice how they make English part of you. Do not wait for perfect. Speak now. Speak simply. Speak from your heart. Your 50 words are enough. They are your key. They are your voice. They are your freedom. Remember, English is not only a language. It is connection. It is joy. It is sharing. It is being with people. Your words are your friends. Your words are your wings. Every line you speak, every sentence you say, every small story you tell makes you stronger, braver, freer. Speak today. Speak now. Begin with one word, then one line, then one story. I did it. You can too. We are in this together. Let your 50 words grow into a world of fluency. Let your voice shine. Let your English live.